Most business owners and professionals complain that paid ads don't work for them, but it is 100% wrong, and here is why. Paid ads are used to bring traffic to your website, a landing page, sales page, squeeze page, in order to convert visitors from potential customers to paid clients. And it all depends on your business goals and your marketing strategy. So, paid ads represent only a tiny part of your entire marketing strategy. And for sure, before investing one single dime in paid ads, you have to know precisely who you want to target based on the product or service you want to sell. The key is to have all the marketing strategy optimized and set up in order to convert potential clients into paid customers. And in this video, I want to share 5 steps of a successful marketing strategy to sell anything to anyone. And I'm 100% sure you want to hear what I'm going to reveal in step number 5. Step number 1. Determine your brand positioning. In today's economy, creating an effective brand positioning strategy is fundamental whether you are a professional or a small business owner or a content creator that wants to differentiate from others in the same field of competency. Thanks to brand positioning, your company or your personal brand has a specific position in your customer's mind where buyers' decisions take place. We can define brand positioning as marketing messages able to educate your target audience on why you are different from others in your industry and the promises you decide to deliver. There are 3 reasons why brand positioning is so important. Reason number 1. Thanks to brand positioning, you don't have to compete for the prices of your products and services. Apple continues to rise smartphone prices even without any significant improvement. Reason number 2. Clients don't want to risk anything when they buy something. They are more confident in buying from a brand they trust, even if the price is higher. Reason number 3. Many companies still don't know how to create the correct brand positioning. And in 2023, you still have a great competitive advantage. Without a strong brand positioning, you will not win in the business game. Period. Step number 2. Define your ideal client. Determining your ideal client is crucial for your business. Based on who you want to serve and who you want to work with, you can adopt the best communication in order to persuade your prospects to become clients. And only then you can bring to your website landing page the best qualified traffic. Remember these words: if you are for everyone, you are for nobody. Let me make a practical example. With my personal brand Max Cecco, I position myself as the online marketing mentor because I help professionals and aspiring entrepreneurs create marketing strategies to sell their products or services. Or I teach them the most important digital marketing skills to succeed in selling stuff online. I mentor aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. I help 2 different categories of people, aka ideal clients, with different products or services and different prices. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur who has no knowledge and experience on how to sell stuff online, I can teach you the most high-paid digital marketing skills thanks to my membership Freedom Business Blueprint. If you are a professional or a business owner who wants to get fast results with a customized learning experience, I have this program, One-to-One Get Things Done Mentoring Program. Moreover, if you are a professional or a business owner who values their time and wants to create, launch and monetize your online course or service in the fastest way possible with minimum or zero effort from your side, I have this program, Done For You Accelerator Program. So, different products, different audiences, different solutions. Step number 3. Create sales funnels. A sales funnel is a marketing strategy that allows you to establish a relationship with your potential client first in order to convert them into paid clients. A sales funnel creates awareness and trust between you and your potential client without selling anything at the beginning. A sales funnel consists of two pillars. Pillar number one: a step-by-step series of communications that helps your potential client choose you instead of the competition, trust in you and in your products and or services. Number two, the second pillar is the infrastructure you put in place to share your message with your audience, even in a 100% automated way. For instance, landing pages, email marketing, marketing automations, SMS marketing, and so on. Do not ever forget that what makes a successful sales funnel is the words you use to attract people's attention, persuade them to embrace your point of view, and make them buy your product or service without pushing the sale. Obviously, every product or service needs a specific funnel, period. Step number 4. Develop social authority. Why do I firmly believe that developing your social authority will be crucial in the coming years? The reasons are very straightforward. Today, people are more educated, and before buying anything, they want to know if they can trust you, if you are a reliable person, if you know the subject you are talking about, and so on. Social content allows you to create your authority, to be seen as the expert in your field of competency. People want to be guided by experts, so become the expert your clients want to work with. When a new prospect finds your content on social media and gets value from your expertise, he can directly contact you or buy something from you instantly, products or services. The buying process is faster and cheaper. So, if you want to sell your products and services at higher prices and with less effort, seriously consider developing your social authority because it gives you a great competitive advantage. Step number 5. Bring traffic with paid ads. Finally, it's time to bring traffic to your website or landing page by using paid ads such as Facebook and Instagram ads, Google and YouTube ads, and TikTok ads. Even if this step is fundamental to put your message in front of the right audience, it is only the last step of the entire marketing strategy. As I told you at the beginning of this video, investing in paid ads without having all the previous steps ready is a waste of time and money. And I can assure that most professionals or business owners don't have any idea about how to build a marketing machine to sell their stuff. If you need my help, I urge you to click on the link in the description below to take a look at my programs on my website maxcecco.com. Regarding investing in paid ads, I want to share with you this crucial mindset. If you start from scratch, when you start using paid ads, you have to invest money to collect data first. It means that even if you're not converting prospects at a good price, or if you have difficulties in getting paid clients, it doesn't mean that paid ads are not working. Simply, you have to collect data in order to refine your advertising strategy, understand what works and what doesn't, and then scale your business. That's it. With that being said, if you want to learn the most high-paid digital marketing skills to create even a 7-figure business, I'm going to release a special program on February 2023, Freedom Business Blueprint. Subscribe to the wait list now. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. In the meantime, I recommend you to watch this video, Digital Marketing in 2023 and Beyond to Sell Digital Products. In this video, I shared 5 points of view regarding how this digital world is evolving and what you should focus on to create a successful and profitable online business. So, watch this video now.